So I thought I'd share a little experience here with my Carbon Cub SS. I've probably got over a couple hundred flights, but I've had two problems with this BL50 motor that comes with it. And let's see if I can get some light here. Both times it's been related to magnets, pulling failures in the motor. So you can see here where one motor came out. So I said, okay, I ordered a replacement, and lo and behold, it did the same thing, but magnet failure, but a little different. The whole magnet assembly pulled down, so you can see it grinding there. So anyway, so if you look on all the hobby shops, this, or what's the part number? This BL50 EFLM 7450. It's not available. It's, you know, back ordered, out of stock. So decided, well, I'm not going to go with another one anyway. So I got from a local shop here in Lynchburg. I got this Cobra motor. I'm going to try it out. The part number is a 4130/14. So a little bit lower kV. This one is 525. I can't remember what this one is. My eyes are bad. It is 450. So going with a little bit bigger prop. So I've got the original prop that came with this is a 15-7. I've got a 16-7 here, so probably going to start off with it since it is a little slower. And I think I've got a bigger prop over there too. So anyway, we'll let you know. Easy fix. So the mounting hardware that came with the BL50 mounts here, the little cross. I was able to mount it to this motor. So this motor is a little bit bigger in diameter, but it just, if you can look in there, just barely, the screws that mount to the firewall just barely fit. So the other thing I had to do is I moved the shaft to get it's the same size shaft as on the BL50, but to get it in the same position here on the plane for the nose. So anyway, we'll let you know how. Okay, just completed the flight. It was great. I ended up going with a 17/8 propeller. It worked great. It's very windy out today, kind of gusty, but it did just fine. So what else? One thing I forgot to mention, it does come with different bullets, but the battery, or the motor came with them. And that's the first time I'd ever put bullets on, but it's pretty easy. I put those on the ESC that came with the plane. So no problem at all. Flew great, plenty of power, and handled just fine, especially on a very windy day. Didn't take any flight video. My GoPro was dead. So maybe this helped somebody, but I think this is a pretty good solution. We'll let you know how the motor holds up over the next flights.